How to create product videos with Google VO3. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. And if you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google account. Then you will go to the search and search for Google DeepMind, and you will be able to see VO3 there. So you will click on it, and it will land you on this interface. Once you have come to this interface, you are going to see these two options: try in Gemini and try in Flow. So you are going to click on try in Flow. Then it will land you here. So you'll scroll down a little bit, then create with Flow. So you are going to sign in. So once you have signed in, now we are going to create product videos. So in order to start, you are just going to click on new project. Then now here you are going to enter the prompt, but before you enter the prompt, we are going to select text to video. You are going to click on that drop down arrow. Then you are going to choose frames to video. Then once you've done that, ensure that you have the image of the product that you want to create video with. So I'm going to download the image of any product from Google. Let's say the image of Nike shoes. So this is the image that I want to download. So I'm just going to write product shoes. Then I'll save. Then as you can see, the image has been downloaded. Now once the image has been downloaded, I'll go back to Flow. Then I can upload the image by just clicking on that plus icon, then upload, then agree. I'm going to crop the image. I can change the portrait. Then crop and save. Then as you can see, the image has been uploaded here. So what you need to do is to generate a video with the text and frame. So here you are going to write a prompt. I'm just going to write a simple prompt. But before I write the prompt, you are going to see these settings here. If you click on it, you'll be able to see the aspect ratio, which is 16 to ratio 9, and then output. Output, you can just choose one. And then here you are going to see model. So we have VO3 fast, and then we have VO3 quality. So VO3 quality uses a lot of credits. As you can see here, we have 20 credits for VO3 fast. And if you choose VO3 quality, you will see that credits for one output is 100 credits. For 100 credits, and remember that you have been given 100 credits for a new account. So if you have been given 100 credits, then you need to use these credits wisely. So I'm going to choose VO3 fast, which is 20 credits. So once you've known that, you are going to write the prompt here. I'm just going to write move the model. Then click on enter. So it is going to generate the video of this product. So guys, as you can see, the video has already been generated. So let me play it so that you can see. So as you can see, that is what has been generated. You can also write any prompt that the way you want this product to be displayed in a video. So let me try another prompt. Make the model walk. So again, the video has been generated. So I'm just going to play it so that you can see. So guys, you can upload the image of your product, and then you can write a prompt. You can write a specific prompt the way you want the product to be displayed. And if you like to create a longer video, you're just going to come to add to the scene. And then you can write a continuation of this video. You can just come here and click on plus, then extend. Then you can write a prompt for the continuation of this video, and your video will be generated. Once you have generated your complete video, you're just going to come here and click on download to download the video to your computer. So that's really it, guys. That's how you can create product videos with Google Veo 3. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.